Okay, welcome back children. So we were studying verbs, isn't it? So what are verbs? We know that verbs, another word for verbs is action words. So verbs show actions in a sentence. Now we have already dealt with the action words. Now we are going to see what is, are and am. Now there are sentences in which you cannot see the action words like run, jump, all those things. So in such sentences we have some supporting or helping verbs. Okay, so is, are and am are also called verbs. They are also verbs. Suppose if I am telling she is a teacher. She is a teacher. In that, which is the action word in that? Can you find any verb like teach? Teach is an action, isn't it? But she is teaching. Teaching, that's ing form of the verb teaching. So, is also a verb which is supporting teaching. Okay? Or she is a teacher. Teacher is a noun. So, is the word there which is acting as a verb. Okay. So, is like that, is, are and am, they are also called verb and they are helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Yeah, another name for that is helping verbs. They are helping. Okay, helping the main verb or auxiliary. They are also called auxiliary verbs. Now, it will be more clear here. Now, where do we use this is, are and am? These are actually different forms of be that we will study in detail in the tenses section. Okay, so is used when the subject is singular. When we have a subject that is singular, we use is. See, she. Here she is the subject. Isn't it? So, she is singular. She means only one person. When subject is singular, we use is. She is teaching. Okay. Subject is singular, we use is. Whereas, when the subject is a plural, here look at this, they. We don't say they is teaching. Do we say? No. We don't say like that. When it is plural, we use are. They are teaching. Okay, they are teaching. So, when the subject is plural, we use are. And am is a special word which is used only when the subject is I. See, I am teaching. We don't say they am teaching or she am teaching. We don't say. With I only we use the word am. I hope it's clear to you. Once again, is used when the subject is singular, are is used when the subject is plural and am is used when the subject is I. Okay. Now, in your page number 49 to 50, 49, you are given insert is in the correct place and rewrite the sentence. Okay. You will see. The kangaroo looking for you is given. So, actually you have to add kangaroo is looking for you. Okay. Sorry, it's not looking for you. It is looking at you. Looking at you. The kangaroo is looking at you. Second one, John very hungry. You have to add is the because John is singular. John is very hungry. Okay. The Jaipur Shatabdi Express late today. You have to add an is there. Is late today. Then Ron sitting under a tree. Ron is sitting under a tree. Ron is singular. So, you have to use is. Jaipur Shatabdi Express is the name of a train. Singular. So, is. Then Seema writing a novel. Seema is writing a novel. So, like that you have to fill in the fill up that pages. Fill up the worksheet. in page number 49 and 50. Then in page number 50 again, you have one more exercise, that is rearrange the jumbled words to form meaningful sentences. Then add the verb am or are. You have to use am or are in that. So that is in page number 50 again. So it is jumbled words. The words are jumbled. You have to make it into correct form also. So I will tell the answers. First one, ripe bananas, those. That is, those bananas are ripe. Okay, you have to add an are also there. Second one, I clever a girl. We don't say I clever a girl. It's I'm a clever girl. You have to add am and change the position also. Then, only few tigers there left jungle in now the. So it is, there are only few tigers left in the jungle now. Okay. Then next one, fourth one, the camels, slowly walking the camels. That's a question. You have to rearrange and write, the camels are walking slowly. Sleeping near the cubs, mother there. The cubs are sleeping near the mother. Okay, I hope it's clear. Here, it's all you have to use are or am. When I comes only we use am. All the rest are plurals. Those bananas, more than one. So are, there are only few tigers. Okay, tigers. So are. Then camels, plural. The cubs, plural. Okay, that's it. Then in next page, that is page number 51, you have to fill in the blanks with is, am or are. Okay, so is, are, am, all the three you have to use and fill in the blanks in the next case. We will see. Okay, page 51, the line dash looking for you. The line is, because only single, one line. So the line is looking for you. I dash going to London tomorrow. I am, with I we use only am. I am going to London. Then third one, John very tired. John is singular, so is we use is very tired. The camels means plural, are walking slowly. Okay. The joggers, plural again. So are running through the road. Sixth one, Mary going to post office this morning. Mary is singular. So is, Mary is going to the post office this morning. Seventh one, he dash diving into the pool. He is singular. So he is diving into the pool. Eighth one, today dash a cool day. Today is a cool day. Today, one day only. What a strange person he is. What a strange person he is. He is singular. Then last one, I dash arranging all the books neatly. I told you with I we always use am. I am arranging all the books neatly. Okay, that's it. Now in last page 52, page number 52, we have 3 exercises to do. The first one is to shade the verbs. Okay. You have to find out the verb, circle it and then shade. Okay. Okay. Then first one. You have to tell me which are the verbs. Cooking is a verb? Yes. It's a verb. So circle cooking. Then what about house? House. Is house a verb? No, house is not a verb. Then next, what comes next? Talking. Yes, talking is a verb. Okay, talking. Sweeping. Yes, sweeping also is a verb. What about sleeping? Yes, that's also an action. Sleeping is an action. So that's also a verb. What about cat? No, it's a noun. Cat is a noun. Box? No, it's the name of something. Box is also a noun. What about hose? Yes, hose is also not it's a noun. It's not a verb. Okay, it's not an action. Cat, box and hose are not any actions. What about writing? Yes, it's an action word. It's a verb. Okay. What about making? Yeah, another word. One other one. Making. Weep. Weep means crying. Yes, crying also is a verb. Then draw. Drawing also is a verb. You can circle. And wipe. Wiping something, it's an action. So, wipe also is a verb. So, these are the verbs. You have to circle it and try to color it, shade it. Okay. Then in the same page itself, you can see, fill up the blanks with suitable form of verbs. That is, you have to make it into present, past and continuous form. Okay, some are given. That is written in white color. They are all given. You have to fill the other, that is past tense, continuous or present tense accordingly. First one, pay is given. You have to write the two other forms of pay. Paid and paying. Paid, paying. Dwell is given. What do you mean by dwell? Live. Okay. Dwell, past tense, dwelt and dwelling. Okay. Dwell, dwelt, dwelling. Clear? Bring, past tense brought, bringing. Bring, brought, bringing. Then we have dealing is already given there. It's deal, dealt, dealing. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. So, you have to arrange in that present, past and continuous order. One or two is given, the rest you have to fill up. Then one more, match the following is the, that is, okay, first one, they, she, he and it is given. Here we have is raining outside, are waiting outside, is playing cricket, dances well. So, you have to match it accordingly and see whether it is singular or plural. Accordingly you have to do. So, they means plural, it is not singular, more than one person is there. So, they, we are usually, if it is plural we say are. They are waiting outside. Okay. Then comes she. She means singular. It can be is. Two are there. But we do not say she is raining outside. Will we say? Or is playing cricket. Usually we say boys are playing cricket, isn't it? And it's given it also. So, the appropriate one will be she dances well. Okay. And he is playing cricket. He is playing cricket. And it is raining outside. And see, if he and she interchanges, it's not a big deal. You can write she is playing cricket. Why can't she play cricket? It's okay. And he dances well also is correct. So, accordingly you can write, you can mark, match that. I hope it's clear to you. Okay. So, verbs, they are the action words. Okay. In a sentence, they show some action. What a person, place, animal, what a person or animal is doing, that is shown by the verbs. Okay. So, the you have to by heart that past tense and continuous form and complete the worksheet. Okay children, thank you. Bye.